Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on Slack Workspace. Enabling 2FA adds a powerful extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second verification step in addition to your password. For this walkthrough, you'll need access to Slack on a desktop browser or the desktop app, your account password, and, if you prefer, an Authenticator app on your phone. Start by opening Slack and signing in to the workspace where you want to enable 2FA. Look to the lower left corner of your Slack window where you'll see your profile avatar or name. Click to open your profile. This is your hub for personal settings and is the quickest path to your account's security controls. In the Profile panel, locate the three-dot menu for more options and select Account Settings. Slack will open your account page in your default browser. From here, find the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. Click Two-Factor Authentication to view details, then choose. Set up two-factor authentication to begin the process. These links take you into Slack's guided setup, which helps ensure everything is verified correctly. Before proceeding, Slack will prompt you to enter your password. This is a standard security check to confirm it's really you making the change. Enter your password carefully and continue. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. Slack typically offers you a choice of using an Authenticator app or receiving codes by text message. An Authenticator app is often recommended because it works even without mobile service and is generally more reliable. If you choose the app option, you'll usually scan a QR code or enter a setup key, then type in the 6-digit code the app generates to confirm. If you choose text messages, you'll receive a verification code on your phone to enter on Slack. During this flow, Slack may also provide backup codes. These are one-time codes that let you sign in if you lose access to your phone. Save them in a secure place, such as a password manager. When setup is complete, Slack will confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled. The next time you sign in, you'll enter your password and then provide the verification code from your chosen method. If your organization requires 2FA, this setup ensures you're compliant and keeps your workspace safer. If you ever lose access to your device, use your backup codes or contact your workspace admin for help. That's it. Your Slack account now has an extra layer of protection.